Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can scan QR codes for Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on Temu myself, and if we go over into our U page, as you'll see, there is no way to enter any QR codes. Now, if you go into settings, you might have the settings for your coupons or things like that, and you might be able to find a QR code there. However, currently that is not available. However, what you can do is if you find a QR code for Temu, if somebody has a promo code, which they're using if they're an affiliate or something of the sort, you will be able to scan it. Now, on most phones, all you have to do is go into your camera, point the camera at the QR code, and then it'll scan it. However, for some phones, including my own, that is not an option, and for phones, for some reason, can't scan QR codes natively. There just isn't the software built in. So in that case, you're going to want to use a third-party, app. If we go into the Play Store, as you can see, all you have to do is just type in QR code scanner, and as you'll see, there is a lot of QR codes or QR code scanners available for use. You have Google Lens, you have all of these other ones. If you have some messenger apps such as Viber, they do have the option of scanning QR codes within them. So yeah, you just have to find whichever method fits best for you. Scan the QR code, click on the link, and that'll take you over to the Temu page, whether it be some specific offers or if it is a referral page for some other person, whether it's a discount, etc., etc. That's all you have to do, and then you can just scan it, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.